A torque converter is a fluid coupling device used in automatic transmission systems of vehicles to transmit power from the engine to the transmission and ultimately to the wheels. It allows the engine to keep running while the vehicle is at a complete stop, and it provides a smooth transition between different gears without the need for a clutch pedal. Here's how a torque converter works. Impeller. The torque converter consists of three primary components: the impeller, the turbine, and the stator. The impeller is connected to the engine's crankshaft and is responsible for pumping transmission fluid, also known as hydraulic fluid, into the torque converter. Turbine. The turbine is connected to the input shaft of the transmission. As the fluid from the impeller flows onto the turbine blades, it causes the turbine to start spinning. The impeller and the turbine are positioned close to each other within the housing of the torque converter. Stator. The stator is located between the impeller and the turbine. It has a set of stationary vanes that can redirect the flow of fluid. The stator's purpose is to redirect the fluid in a way that maximizes the torque multiplication effect, improving efficiency and performance. Fluid coupling. The transmission fluid within the torque converter serves as a medium that transfers torque from the engine to the transmission. The impeller's spinning motion creates a flow of fluid, which in turn causes the turbine to start spinning. This fluid coupling effect allows the engine to keep running even when the vehicle is stopped, as there's no mechanical connection like a clutch. Torque multiplication. One of the unique features of a torque converter is its torque multiplication capability. At low speeds, the torque converter can multiply the torque being transmitted to the transmission, which helps in getting the vehicle moving smoothly and efficiently. This is particularly useful during acceleration from a standstill. Lockup clutch. To improve efficiency and reduce power loss, many modern torque converters also have a lockup clutch. This clutch can mechanically connect the impeller and the turbine when the vehicle reaches a certain speed, essentially bypassing the fluid coupling and creating a direct mechanical connection. This reduces slippage and improves overall efficiency, especially at higher speeds. In summary, a torque converter is a fluid coupling device used in automatic transmissions to transmit power from the engine to the wheels. It allows for smooth acceleration, idle operation, and efficient power transfer through the use of transmission fluid and the principles of fluid dynamics.